Hello children, I'm going to explain the poem Fire and Ice written by Robert Frost, which is a poem from class 10th English. So here the title Fire and Ice symbolizes two different things. Fire symbolizes desire and ice symbolizes hatred. Here the poet says, he talks about the reasons for the end of the world. Beautifully, in the simple way, he has tried to explain the existence of the problems in the world. See what's given here? Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. The poet says that some of the people, some means here maybe the scientist, the research, the people, those who speak on the basis of the researches, on the basis of the study. So some of the scientists, they say that the world will end because of the people's desire, because of the people's passion. This desire can be of conquering the world, maybe because of whatever, so many different things are there which leads to, even which has led to the world war. So he says that this desire or this passion of the people, in a negative way, in the negative sense, he talks. No, not he's not talking about the positivity. He says just because of the desire or the negative passion of the people, the world will come to an end. And some of the people, some of the scientists, they say that the world may end because of the jealousy or because of the hatred of the people, because they have hatred towards each other. And here he gives his own view, saying that what he knows about the passion or about the desire, he supports the view of those group of people who say that the world will end because of fire. Here fire and ice describes two different things. They symbolize desire, symbolizing negativity, and the next negativity, that is hatred, ice. Further he says that if the world had to, if it had to perish twice, he gave his view, saying that if it is his view, he supports the view that the world will come to an end because of the fire. But further he says that if the world is going to perish, going to destroy twice, then he says that he knows enough of the hatred which exists in the world, enough of jealousy that exists in the world, which has the power to destroy. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Suffice, that means that would be sufficient. Whatever power hatred has or ice has, that is enough to destroy the world. Here the poet might have ironically chosen the topic. He has chosen two natural elements to present his viewpoint. He says that the long predicted, the ice age in the future may engulf everything inside it. So here, if we see the rhyme scheme and the figures of speech used here, Here also we do find enjambment. Enjambment means no punctuation mark you could see. They relate to the same sentence. One single sentence we do find. Only one full stop you find here. And again in the fourth line you find a full stop. So here it is. Such type of arrangement is called enjambment. If you see the rhyme scheme, slightly different than the previous one. Here fire, ice. So A, B. Then desire, A, similar like fire, fire. Say. So here the rhyme scheme goes as A, B, A, A. Similarly, you find the rhyme scheme of the second stanza also. Just to see, twice and ice are similar. B, it will start from B. Fine. Further ahead to the figure of speech, we find anaphora here. Anaphora, that is the first and the second line. If you see, these phrase is repeated. Some say the world will end. Some say the ice. So some say is repeated in both the lines, the first line and the second line also. So this is anaphora. Further ahead, if you see, you find what is the other one? Repetition of the vowel sound. Hold, those, who, favor. Repetition of the vowel sound O we could find here in the fourth line. So here it is assonance. In the same line we do find consonants also. Here the consonant word is repeated. Which is the consonant word here? With those. TH. TH is the consonant words which are repeated here in the fourth line. Similarly, find if there is any other figure of speech in the next stanza also. And then write down the meaning of this particular, that is the summary of fire and ice, both the stanzas, along with the figures of speech, the rhyme scheme, the word meanings, and the exercise questions neatly well arranged in the copy. Thank you.